Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to log into your Roblox game. For that you just need to open your Roblox app, and then it will take you straight to your home page. And let me just and before I log out and log in, I'll show you something you need to keep in mind. Before that, before you log out, and let's just go to our, and to log out, tap on this three dot and then scroll down. You will see log out button. And before you log out, make sure you enter your email address, because that will help you to log in easily, and it will help you to secure your account. And you have to enter your Gmail here. You need to enter your email address over there and tap on continue button. They will send you a confirmation link on my Gmail. Let's go and check it out. And that is how you can verify your Roblox game. And now we can log out safely from our app. And now to log in, what you need to do is tap on your account and you need to enter your password, and after that it will easily log in, and after that you can log, and that is how you can log into your Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.